Hello. So yet again it is raining this weekend. So I don't know what we're doing, but I will bring you along. But right now I am just gonna clean the house, and as you can see I've got my hair toned. I'm trying to grow it out natural, so this is almost my natural color. But yeah, so this is a toner. It only lasts a few weeks, and then I'm just gonna keep getting that because it's not damaging on the hair, just until my hair grows out, and then I can just leave it, never touch it again. And Micah is bringing us some coffees. And I don't know, I have a feeling that we will probably just watch Game of Thrones or something. Yeah, look at it outside, it's so miserable. Ugh. Going for a walk. I don't know if you can hear me, it's a little bit windy, but yeah, sometimes I just like to clear my mind. I always feel way better. But yeah, our neighborhood's really beautiful as well, so it's hard not to go. We're just going for a little walk. Where are we going? What is it called? Yeah. I don't know. It's not too far away, but it's just a little walk, which is good because it's pretty cold outside and it's raining.
It's like all these little waterfalls.
Yeah, lots of little waterfalls.
That's not a bad view. You don't know where you're going. That's so wet.
Did your whole foot go in?
Yeah. Oh, it's so cold.
It is really cold. So
all that
cool.
fresh water.
We're just heading back to the car. Micah wanted to stop in at the driving range, so here we are. Nice shot! Whoa! Got 90 balls, so don't know about that one. Think that high?
Yep.
Ooh.